Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 32 Wren and Martin High School Grammar Books. टॉपिक है connectives. Join together each of the following pair of sentences by means of connective. I know a man. The man has been to Iceland. तो हम with the help of connectives कैसे कर सकते हैं? I know a man either who has been to Iceland or that has been to Iceland. दूसरा है the thief stole the watch. The thief was punished. The thief that or who stole the watch was punished. Show the road. The road leads to Delhi. Show the road that or which to Delhi. Here is the doctor. The doctor cured me of malaria. Here the doctor who or that cured me of malaria. I met a boy. He was very cruel. तो हम दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. I met a boy who or that was very cruel. दूसरा तरीका ये हो सकता है. The boy whom I met was very cruel. He does his best. He should be praised. He who or that does his best should be praised. The man is honest. The man is trusted. The man who or that is honest is trusted. My father is dead. I love my father. My father, whom I loved, is dead. The teacher sent for the boy. The boy came at once. The boy for whom the teacher sent came at once. Wellington was a great general. He defeated Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo. Wellington, who was a great general, defeated Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo. Or, in other words, you can write Wellington, who defeated Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo, was a great general. The dog bit the burglar. The burglar had broken into the house. The dog bit the burglar who had broken into the house. Once upon a time there lived a giant. The giant was very powerful and cruel. Once upon a time there lived a giant who was very powerful and cruel. We met a girl. The girl had lost her way. We met a girl who or that had lost her way. Kalidas is famous. He wrote some fine dramas. Kalidas, who wrote some fine dramas, is famous. He is a rogue. No one trusts him. He is a rogue whom no one trusts. The child is dead. The child came here yesterday. The child that or who came here yesterday is dead. The child is dead. I saw the child yesterday. The child whom or that I saw yesterday dead. I know the man. He stole the bicycle. I know the man who or that stole the bicycle. The man stole the bicycle. He has been arrested. The man who or that stole the bicycle has been arrested. I have found the umbrella. I lost it. I have found the umbrella which or that I lost. I saw a soldier. He had lost an arm. I saw a soldier who or that had lost an arm. This is the path. He came by this path. This is the path by which came. The horse was lame. We saw the horse. The horse that we or you can say the horse which we saw was lame. Those boys were kept in. They have been very lazy. Those boys who or that had been lazy were kept. I saw a girl. She was singing. I saw a girl who or that was singing. That boy bowls very well. You see him there. That boy whom or that you see there bowls very well. Here is the book. You were asking for the book. Here is the book which or that you were asking for. Here is the pencil, you lost it yesterday. Here the pencil which or that you lost yesterday. The man is deaf. You spoke to the man. The man whom or that you spoke is a deaf. Coal is found in Bengal. It is very useful mineral. Coal, which is a very useful mineral, is found in Bengal. ये आपकी जो एक्सरसाइज थी ये पूरी कनेक्टिव्स पर बेस्ड थी। इसके बाद इसकी जो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है उसमें मिलते हैं। तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन।